So this is the symbol of planet Earth. So if you want to create this symbol in your computer, in your Windows computer, you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you can try this keyboard shortcut Alt 9793 for creating this Earth symbol. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol in your computers using your keyboard shortcut method. So okay, for doing this you must first you go to your computer keyboard, and if your number lock is turned off, you must turn on the number lock. After enabling the number lock, you can see an alt key which is located on the left side of your space bar. You must press and all this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type M9793. After typing 9793, you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that symbol of planet Earth in your Windows computer. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.